No, I didn't get a weird ear piercing. This is an open-ear wireless earphone from UGREEN. Yes, the brand that makes gun chargers that I can't live without. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 118. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. This is UGREEN HiTune S3. I'm not sure you dig into unboxing. I'll do it anyway. Inside the box is the HiTune S3 charging case with the earphones inside, a USB-C charging cables, and some documentations. The pebble-shaped design charging case has a matte finish with an LED below the UGREEN logo. The LED shows the charging status of the earphones and the charging case, while on the back is a modern USB-C charging port. Many would think the earphone looks odd and feel uncomfortable. Turns out it was pretty comfortable. I can wear them for workouts, even runnings, and it won't drop out. In fact, I find it's more comfortable than those bulky bone conductor earphones. This is because each earphone weighs only 5.2 grams and the clipping tension is just right. The only complaint is the silicone rubbers picks up, leans, and is hard to clean. It also supports tap control if you are wondering. The HiTune S3 features the latest Bluetooth 5.4 and support SBC and AAC. No hi-fi sound codecs like the Apex and LDAX, which makes sense for such price points and design. You won't get the best audio fidelities in such a small drivers and open air design. Coming to audio, because it's an open ear earphones, you won't find noise cancelling or ambient sounds features here. Basically, you hear everything with your music on, so you know who is gossiping behind you. I need to set at least the volume to 70% to hear it clearly and almost max in crowded area. Not sure in the long runs the driver would wear faster. Can others hear what you are listening to? The answer is yes and no. They only hear you are listening to something, but it's not clear to them. Did I mention it supports gaming mode? It offers as low as 0.06 milliseconds response time. But personally, I wouldn't recommend open air types earphone for gaming, as they not only require you to increase the volumes, but also distract with external noise. The microphone is just mediocre. It claims to have an AI ENC. Here are samples of audio recorded with the earphone's mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. The battery life is 7.5 hours and the charging case offers 4 rounds of charges. UGREEN didn't state any water and dust IP rating, but I did wear it for running once under drizzling rain, and it works just fine. Still, there are no IP ratings when it comes to warranty, so don't take my words for any water damage. If you're looking for a simple and casual use earphone for workout, this is one recommended that costs less than RM80 ringgit. Frankly, it's comfortable and I tend to use it more for long hours without feeling stuffy or ear fatigues. Hi-fi audios and gaming earphones, you may have to look elsewhere. That's all from me on the UGREEN HiTune S3. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the